In this tutorial, we will show you how to edit muted hashtags on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to customize your muted words list and enhance your Twitter experience. To begin, click on More from the side navigation menu. Then select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the settings where you can manage various aspects of your Twitter account. Next, click on the Privacy and Safety tab, followed by Mute and Block. This is where you can manage the words and hashtags you have muted on Twitter. Now, click on Muted Words to access the list of muted hashtags. Here, you can view and edit the hashtags that you have previously muted. Select the hashtag you would like to edit from the list. You can now make changes to the mute from or extend mute time selections based on your preferences. Once you have made your edits, click Save to update the changes to the muted hashtag. Your preferences are now saved, and the hashtag will be muted according to your updated settings. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize the muted hashtags on Twitter, creating a more tailored and personalized browsing experience. Take control of your Twitter feed by editing muted hashtags to suit your preferences.